Good morning, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Employment Law Series with the Employment Law Guru, Dr. Lydia Precious-Dike. If you recall, on the last episode, I raised a real-life scenario where Mr. James was employed by a company A. In the course of employment, Mr. James has requested severally for protective gears, and this request was met with a negative response. After 4 months of working, Mr. James discovers that he has hearing issues, and he goes to the hospital and is certified by a medical practitioner that he has hearing issues as a result of running heavy machineries without protective gears. He goes back to the company to lodge a complaint. What does the company do? The company fires Mr. James on the pretext that Mr. James is not an employee of the company. Mr. James has run to me as an employment law guru and is asking, "Oh, Dr. Lydia, are there remedies available to me? What can I do?" Sure, there are remedies available to Mr. James. Going by the provisions of the Labor Act, there are rights. The rights of Mr. James have been violated. What are those rights? 1. In the course of the employment, within 3 months, going by Section 7 of the Labor Act, within 3 months of employment, the employer is under an obligation to provide a contract of employment which must specify the terms of employment. Where the employer doesn't provide the contract of employment, does it mean that Mr. James is not an employee of the company? No, that isn't right. Mr. James is an employee of the contract, irrespective of the fact that there was no contract of employment. Secondly, Mr. James has a right to a safe working environment and access to protective gears in the working place. The obligation is also on the employer to provide those protective gears. Thirdly, Mr. James has a right to notice or salary in lieu of notice where his employment is to be terminated. And where is dismissal, there must be a ground for such dismissal. So under the Labor Act, so many of Mr. James' rights have been violated. And he has so many remedies available to him. Because going by the Latin maxim, ubi jus ibi remedium, where there's a violation of a right, there is a remedy. Under the Labor Act, under the law, under our Nigerian jurisprudence, Mr. James has so many remedies available to him. Please stay tuned to my YouTube channel as I discuss the remedies available to Mr. James on our next episode. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. Thank you, thank you, thank you.